Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Bank of America application not working on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. The Bank of America application is a mobile banking application which allows users to access their Bank of America accounts from their smartphones or tablets. You can check your account balances, view transaction history, transfer money, pay bills, and much more. If your Bank of America app is not working on your Android, then here are some few things you can try out. The first thing to do is to close off the Bank of America application from the background. Tap on the menu bar on the left-hand side of your Android device and close off all of the application at the moment that is running on your background. Now, restart your Android device. Press and hold the power switch and tap on Restart from the menu. After you are done rebooting your system, this might help your device resolve any problem you're experiencing with the app. The next thing to do is to check your internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to a stable internet. If you are connected to a weak or unstable network, the app may not work properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data and open up your Bank of America mobile application, log into your account and see if that fixes the issue. If the problem still persists, the next thing to do is to update the app. Make sure you're using the latest version of the Bank of America application. To check that, go and open up your Google Play Store and tap on Update App. Once you are done updating your application, you might be able to fix your issue. Go ahead and log into your account or open up your Bank of America app and see if that fixes the issue. If not, simply uninstall the application from your Android device. Go and press hold your Bank of America mobile application from the app drawer. In the pop-up, tap on Uninstall. Tap OK from the pop-up at the bottom, and once you uninstall the application, go back to your Play Store and re-download the application again on your Android device. Open up the app and see if that fixes the issue for you. Those were some of the easiest fixes you could try out whenever your Bank of America application is not working on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.